Okay guys, well this is Train Spotter HD and welcome back to another new video at, as you can tell, a very rainy Exeter St David's on this, well, it's coming up to Saturday evening, around about 5:30. So I'm back with another video here. I had a check on the real-time trains to see what's available today, and as per usual, St David's looks to be the busiest. So I thought I'd make a video here now instead. I was originally going to go to George Warren, but it doesn't look as busy as St David's. Obviously with St David's you've got the added advantage of the South Western Railway train. So yeah, hopefully this should be made for a good video. But as you can see the predicted heavy rain is now come. So we'll see what we can get on camera. And as always guys, sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Okay, well to kick things off, we got a terminating South Western Railway service, I'm assuming from London Waterloo. Phew, it is chucking it down. You got 159101 at the front, it's slowly coming in. We got a newer livery one at the back, can catch number at the back. We'll keep the camera rolling even more as we got a turbo coming in now from, assuming from Paynton. As you can see, 166, 213, having a good wash. Okay guys, well we're back in the video. As you can see, we had an IT turn up from London Paddington going to Penzance, 802, was it 018. Excuse the noise in the background, it is football day. I know Bristol Rovers just played Exeter City and Bristol Rovers lost, so that's good. So yeah, that's the noise you hear in the background, obviously Bristol Rovers fans going back. So I believe that Penzance service is about half an hour late. This Exeter service is on time at the moment. So we'll come back in a few seconds with some more trains. Okay guys, well as I started this video around 5:30, I'm going to class this as rush hour trains at St David's. I haven't titled a video like that at St David's. Obviously, as you know, 5 o'clock is usually a rush hour for trains, or in any kind of transport mode. Yeah, we do have this extra service back to depart. And we should have the Penzance service departing as well, because that was half an hour late. And we got the Penzance service leaving. Double IET 8021015 at the back. There she goes. There's all the Bristol Rovers fans over there on platform 5. Okay, coming in now will be a Great Western Railway service to London Paddington. So the background noise, guys, like I said, Bristol Rovers fans are over on platform 5. You have to excuse the noise for the time being, assuming they're waiting for it. I don't know if they're getting on this train, but 802017 is on the train. Number is on the train. Should have a... We do. We have a cross-country service coming in from Glasgow Central going to Penzance. It's actually run by a cross-country HST as well. It's actually 802107. Get it right, Alex. You complete and utter moron. Looks like they are getting on that train, thank God. 43357 is at the front of this HST. And we'll come back in a few seconds once it goes out. Okay, back to the park now. Will be a cross-country service to Penzance from Glasgow Central. Obviously a nice treat for the Cornish main line to see a cross-country HST going all the way to Penzance. (43,378) at the back. There she goes. And as you can clearly see, it has gotten quiet now that the Bristol Rovers fans are gone. Gonna make one heck of a racket in that London Paddington service for sure. Interests me though is that Paddington service that just left going to Bristol. Don't know. It must be if they're getting on it. Anyway, guys, we got a Great Western Railway service from Barnstable to Exeter Central just arrived. It's 158958. So we'll. Oh, we got another train coming in. Another service to London Paddington. 802105 is the number on this one. 1755 service. I'm assuming that one is only running slightly late. She is. To attempt to keep carrying on with this central service, it should actually leave straight away. As it is running a bit late, although the signal is still red, that's why it's not leaving. So we'll come back in a few seconds once it goes out. Okay, back to the park now. It'll be a Great Eastern Railway service to Exeter Central. Running about 3 to 4 minutes late. Service loading patches just left as well. Okay, we'll be back in a few minutes with some more trains. Okay, well, welcome back to the video, guys, and coming in now will be a late running Great Eastern Railway service to Paignton. It's 150 261 at the front. 261 is back, I know, because this 150 went in for a refurb. One 244, and I'll be at the front. Okay, coming in now will be a cross-country service from Bristol St Meads going to Paignton. And as always, it's always run by 4-car Voyager. It's actually on time today, which is good to see. Okay, well, I'll see your catch number as it goes out, so we'll come back then. Okay, back to the park now. We have a cross-country service to Paignton. It's run by 220-022. And that service to Paignton came in late. It definitely will be late when it leaves. Just gonna let this cross-country service go first. Now, if I was on that train and I wanted to go to Doors to Timoth, I would have been going on the cross-country service for sure. Nice two down by the driver. Don't know if that was towards me, but good to hear nonetheless. Okay, back to the park now. It'll be a Great Eastern Railway service to Paignton, leaving about 10 minutes. About 10 minutes late now, this train. Like I said, it actually came in late anyway, so I suppose if it was on time, this train might have left before the cross-country service to Paignton left. So, but there you go, it's what it is. You actually have another turbo waiting down the line, waiting to come in. That'll be the service to Exmouth from Paignton, which I believe is on time. So we'll see that come in very shortly. Okay guys, well, we're back in the video. We got that service to Exmouth now coming in. And would you believe, the first time ever I've forgotten to tell you what services you're going to see in this video. I've forgotten to say that at the start of the video for the first time ever. So you'll be seeing services obviously from Great Eastern Railway, Cross Country and South Western Railway. So the usual services. train wise today, I think there was like 1 or 2 or 3 trains getting cancelled again this morning due to train crew issues, but at this precise moment it seems that all trains are running. So we had the 213, and let's see, this one is the 214. There she is. Okay, but to depart now will be a Great Western Railway service to Exmouth. Looks to be leaving a bit late now. Have a Great Western Railway service to Plymouth just arrived from London Paddington, A02 112. And we've got the Great Western Railway service to Plymouth about to depart. And this one is actually on time. There's a 158958 returning back through, going to Barnstable. Excellent. Okay guys, we're back in the video. We just had that Barnstable service left. We should have a South Western Railway train coming in from the new yard, which will form the 1825 service to London Waterloo. Also, I want to talk to you all about my next, my plan for the next couple of days and weeks ahead, video wise. Probably going to stay local, but I'll try and mix the videos up locally. Also, I don't want to film here all the time, but obviously, as you know, I always start my journey off from here. But yeah, that'll be the plan over the next couple of days. Tomorrow, I'm not sure if I'll be out. Got my second vaccination tomorrow, so I don't know how I'll react to that. But yeah, that's the plan for video wise over the coming days and a week or so ahead. So yeah, well, I thought we did have a South Western Railway train coming in. Is it going to come in? Doesn't look like yet, so we'll come back in a few seconds. Okay, we've got a South Western Railway service to London Waterloo, 159021 at the front. We got the service to Payton now coming in as well, 150247. 150 234. Okay, coming in now, we are terminating South Western Railway service from London Waterloo. One 59004 at the front. Quite a dirty looking 159108 at the back. And also coming in is a cross-country service to Penzance, another cross-country service going to Penzance. And this one's from Newcastle, double Voyager. Yeah, we got a Great Eastern Railway service to Exeter now coming in, double 150 on this. As always, 152.39 looking quite filthy. Yeah, 152.02 looking a bit more cleaner. Okay, back to the park now. There'll be a cross-country service to Penzance from Newcastle. Two two 123 and 220.034. There she is. So we are coming to the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Quite a nice selection of trains today again, I have to admit. So yeah, I think we'll keep the camera rolling because I think this extra service is about to depart. I want to show you something, guys, that is mega rare. The sun shines out. That is mega rare, guys, isn't it? Anyway, we'll be back in a couple of minutes with another train. Okay, guys, well, we're back in the video and we are coming towards the end of the video. Coming in now is a Great Western Railway service from Penzance to Bristol Temple Meads. This is run by a castle set. (43) 155 at the front, the Regent Castle nameplate. (43) 092 at the back, the Cromwell Castle. (158) 766 speeding out of blimey, that's in a hurry. (158) 766 speeding out there, going to Central from Barnstaple. Well, it is running a bit late, but so I think we do have one more train to get on camera, and it's a Great Western Railway service to Paignton. So we'll record that coming in and then we'll end the video. Okay, well, back to the last train of the video, guys. It's a Great Western Railway service to Paignton. Oh, it's a return of the 166 213. So as she comes in, I'm going to leave it here at Exeter St David's on this Saturday evening. I hope you enjoyed the rush hour train special. Quite a nice selection of trains, some turbos, castle set there, to the IETs, Voyagers, Crosscountry HST and South Western Railway trains. So yeah, very nice mixture of trains. And obviously the Great Western 158s as well. So very nice selection of trains. So my next video probably won't be until during the week now. Like I said, guys, I've got my second vaccination tomorrow. I don't know how I will react to that. Thanks for the support as always, guys. I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Not too far off from that milestone now, so if you can help me by getting me there, that'd be greatly appreciated. And until next time, from me here at a sort of sunny Exeter St David's. I'll see you all soon, guys. Take care.